Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on an X350 John Deere. Reason being is the carb float got stuck, and unfortunately it dumped a bunch of fuel into the cylinder, so all the gas and oil mixed together. So I'm going to do a real quick oil change. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to look to see if this oil filter will come off easily. Nope. I don't think I have my tool for this. Alright, so I'm going to need one of these because apparently that is on way too tight. Let's see if I can set you up. Let's set up right there. Let's see. Wow. This is going to be a tough one, I guess. Ooh. Wow. Terrible location. Don't know why you can't put a pan where it's leaking. It's kind of in there, but you know, some got on the ground, and you know what? It's okay. Got another one right here. Just gotta. Oh, you know what I should do? It's something you should always do. Alright, so what you basically do is you want to put some new fluid in it, wipe around the seal, and then you just put that bad boy right on there. Doesn't have to be super tight, just hand tight. And there you go. And then we'll pop this bad boy out. As you can tell, that oil is very yucky. So that's very not great. That's barely oil anymore. Wow. That's all fuel, for the most part. Holy crap, there's a lot in there. Alright, so now that that's dwindling down on how much is in there. Oh yeah, that smells like gas. We're going to put this back on. Seal it up good. And then get your thing of oil here. And we're just going to put her on in. So this is 1 quart. I think they take like 1.7 or something. Ooh, almost overfilled. Oh, gurgling. Okay, so after filling that, you put the cap back on, and you should be good to go. So, purrs like a kitten. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys later.